Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, July 24th. And you can see temperatures pretty uniform in the mid 60s for the most part. And we got another nice day with plenty of sunshine and very comfortable air mass in place with dew points in the 50s. So it's going to be a nice early summer afternoon. If we look at the latest satellite imagery, we can see a couple of MCS complexes, one developing now over Iowa. That one should slide just off to the southeast today. For the most part, we should have plenty of sunshine, maybe a little more in the way of clouds, especially high clouds from the blow off from these tops of these storms off to the southwest. That may affect the southern part of the state. And then another complex over South Dakota is developing. This one should move off to the east and then to the southeast as it comes towards the state and weaken. But what we'll watch for this evening and tonight is another series of storm complexes to develop, perhaps over Iowa and then move to the east-southeast. Right now, the best bet is that it would stay just off to the south of much of the area, or at least the heaviest part of the system for tomorrow. But I think showers and thunderstorms may make it all the way up into central Michigan now. And if we look at the latest forecast map for this afternoon, low pressure system will be moving east over the next 48 hours. As it does, more thunderstorms will develop, especially along and north of the warm front, where you can see severe storms and heavy rain forecasted across parts of Iowa into Illinois and into Indiana, and that again will be sliding also off to the east. Cold front coming down through the area here is going to try to help suppress those storms south, but I'm not sure it's going to be able to. It's going to be a close call, and I plan on doing another update probably around 3 or 4 o'clock today on a text part of the weather page and concerning the potential for rain across southern and lower Michigan where they absolutely don't need it, particularly in the I-94 area and in the Lansing area where heavy rains of recent days is causing quite a bit of flooding. And if we were to get a whole lot of rain, we could have some real bad issues down there. If we take a look at the WPC and what they're forecasting, again, they show the heaviest rain well off to our south, as does the European, which we can't show their imagery because of copyrights. But again, the WPC also suggests that the heaviest MCS complexes will take their heaviest rains to the south, bringing about anywhere from a tenth in central Michigan up to about a quarter, maybe a third of an inch across southern and lower Michigan. But if we look at the GFS, it also has the heaviest of the storms moving south, but it also, oddly enough, has a pretty good area of showers and thunderstorms, perhaps with the MCS complex out in South Dakota maybe surviving and coming into the area late tonight, early tomorrow morning. We'll wait and see. And then the one model we sure hope isn't right, and that would be the North America model, the NAM model, and it is kind of the outlier. It is stronger and farther north with these complex of storms that develop this afternoon into tonight. And this would bring 1.5 to as much as 4 inches of rain across areas that do not need it. And so we're going to watch the 12Z run. We'll have an update again about 3 or 4 p.m. today on the text part of the forecast on the main page. And if we look at some growing degree day information, this is from Blissfield. You can see running ahead of last year, and of course with the earlier dates as well, that certainly is helping the cause as well. And you can see much ahead of some of the colder years we've had in recent history. And if we look at the Breckenridge location, again, just a little bit behind normal, but certainly ahead of the previously cold years, including last year, quite a bit ahead. And if we look at the 20-year comparison in the Breckenridge area, you can see we're right about in the middle of the pack compared to growing degree days at this time of the year, right in the middle. Thanks for stopping by and have a great Wednesday, and 73s to all.